So today we will be designing this text spiral effect using Adobe Illustrator, and guys, you know you can always download the file for this tutorial in the description below. So let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do is create a background that we can work on. We will also lock it so it doesn't move as we are working. Now we're going to put in our text. This is the part where you should write anything you want because you won't be able to change it later on. Now we're going to expand our text so we can turn it to a pattern. You can see my pattern panel is found on the left. For you, it might be on the top. Let's grab our shape tool and make a circle. Once you have your circle selected, click on the pattern we just created. Go to your stroke panel and look for the profile option. By default, it is set to uniform, so we are now going to change it. And now to add the effect, go to effects at the top panel and watch carefully what I do. We're going to set our scales to 90% so they can keep getting smaller. Then we're going to set our angles to 10 degrees. And for the final trick, we're going to set copies to 25. And there we have it, our spiral text. To add color, we're going to expand our spiral text and ungroup everything. Then carefully select each line to add color to. Zoom in if it gets too small. With the lines selected, we can now add in any color we desire. I will add in green, and if you've seen my profile picture, you'll probably know why, unless I've changed it or have done a rebranding in the future. At this point, we can play around and be creative. But what I'll do is select the free distort tool and play around with my spiral until I like the way it looks. Be sure to join my Telegram group where I share free illustrations and many more. See you in my next video.